Trump and the Constitution, experts warn of unchecked power. Legal experts and political analysts increasingly argue that former President Donald Trump views himself as unconstrained by the U.S. Constitution. His recent statements and past actions indicate a belief that he is above traditional legal limits, a stance that concerns many constitutional scholars. Trump's controversial statements. Trump has repeatedly made remarks suggesting he believes in near absolute executive authority. For example, he has claimed that as president, he had total immunity from prosecution and could not be held accountable for actions taken while in office. This belief has been tested in court, with legal challenges questioning whether a former president can be prosecuted for alleged crimes committed during his tenure. In addition, Trump has expressed admiration for authoritarian leaders and suggested that if re-elected, he would take actions beyond the constitutional limits of presidential power. Some experts argue that his refusal to accept the results of the 2020 election and his involvement in the January 6th Capitol riot demonstrate a disregard for democratic principles. Legal experts concerns. Many constitutional scholars warn that Trump's views could undermine the balance of power in the U.S. government. The Constitution explicitly limits presidential authority through checks and balances, but Trump's rhetoric suggests he sees these constraints as obstacles rather than fundamental principles. Harvard law professor Lawrence Tribe has warned that Trump's stance could set a dangerous precedent, making it easier for future presidents to ignore constitutional limits. Others fear that if Trump returns to office, he could attempt to reshape the judiciary and federal agencies to consolidate power. Conclusion: the idea that any leader is above the law contradicts the foundation of American democracy. Whether Trump's views gain further traction will depend on legal rulings, congressional actions, and the choices of American voters.